Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from your revenue share. Now remember that your revenue share is the bonus that you get for registering people under you. You understand? That is the revenue that Ethereal gives you, the share or the bonus that they give you for registering people under you. So as you can see from my dashboard, I have 162,500 revenue share. Okay, so these are the bonuses I get from registering people under me. So we are going to learn how to withdraw them now. So first thing, you have to click on the payment icon you see on the screen here. So you click on it or you tap on it. When you do, it will take you to this page. This is where you will now make the bank transfer. Okay, so make sure you have connected your bank account to the your Ethereal account already. Okay, I have already connected my own, and I connected my OP account for those of you in Nigeria. So for those of you outside Nigeria, you can connect your bank account, whether your Momo account or whatever. So the next thing you want to do on this place now, you will discover that the revenue share wallet, yes, is activated, but the Ethereal stash wallet is not activated. That's because it is not time for withdrawing the Ethereal stash. The Ethereal stash can be withdrawn on the 10th of any month. Okay, any month at all, as long as you have passed the withdrawal limit of 120,000 naira for those of you under the X package, or you have passed the limit of 100,000 for those of you under the standard package. So now you are going to tap on bank transfer. Right, when you tap on bank transfer, the next thing, you will select your revenue share. When you select it, you will have that fire icon, which means you have selected it. Okay, so you come in here and you type in the amount you want to withdraw. So I'm going to type in 162,500. You see that? So that's what I'm going to type. Then I'll do what? I'll tap on withdraw. I will tap on what? Withdraw. If you look at the bottom of that 162,500, you will see where they wrote the minimum withdrawal there is 20,000 naira. You can see the arrow is pointing it now. 20,000 naira. That is the minimum for those of you who have invited people to register under you with your referral link. So I'll click on withdraw. When I click on it, this is the page. Then I'll click on what? Confirm. You can see there bank name Paycom, which is my OP account, then the account wallet or account number, that is what you have there. So you click on what? Confirm. When you do that, you see that they've sent you a receipt. Okay, they've sent you a receipt. Look at the account number there, Paycom. That's my account number. Then the beneficiary, that is my name, Terapi Philip. Okay, so what do? I can either close it or I'll just download the receipt. Okay, so for me, I will download the receipt. When I download it, it will go to my phone. So I've downloaded it. So that is how to make withdrawal. Okay, so when you close it, you can now see here that, let me go and show you now. Let's go back to now when you look at this place now, you see that the wallet, the revenue share wallet, has gone ash. It has gone unactivated because the money is no longer there. You can now see 00 naira there. That's what you have there now, 00 naira. So if I click on this button to go back to my dashboard, I click here, then I'll tap on the what? Dashboard. When I do that, it will go back to my dashboard. So you will notice that that money, I'll close this one here. You will notice that that money is gone. You see, all right, it's gone. So I don't have it there anymore, which means it has been transferred to my bank account. So as you can see, exactly 2 hours 30 minutes later or thereabout, I was credited. This is the receipt right here. You can see the date right here, August 8th, and the time there. You understand? This is the exact amount. This is the name of the sender, which is Ethereal Web Service. All right, you can see my name there as the receiver, and that is it. So that is how to withdraw your money. I'll see you guys in my next video.